In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make money online with ChatGPT in 2025. Now, it's important to note right from the start that ChatGPT isn't a direct money making machine. What it really excels at is boosting your productivity in areas like programming and blogging. And it's also a great tool for generating innovative ideas on how to earn money online. First up, let's chat about using ChatGPT to write articles. If you have an affiliate marketing website, writing quality content is key to driving traffic and increasing sales. ChatGPT can assist you in drafting those articles, saving you time and effort. Plus, it can provide insights into some of the best affiliate programs you should consider joining. It's like having a writing partner who never sleeps, always ready to brainstorm the most engaging topics for your audience. Now, if you're inclined towards tech, using ChatGPT to create apps, websites, and extensions can be a lucrative endeavor. Imagine being able to feed your ideas into a virtual assistant and having it churn out visuals and frameworks. Of course, this doesn't entirely eliminate manual work. You'll need to add personal touches and refine the creations, but ChatGPT undoubtedly simplifies the process significantly, allowing you to focus more on the creative side of things. Then there's the artistic angle. ChatGPT can help you in crafting illustrations or logos, which you can then sell. Whether it's a luxurious illustration for someone's living room or a unique logo for a business, the demand is there. The ability to leverage AI to generate high-quality creative designs is a game changer for artists looking to increase their productivity and offerings. For the budding entrepreneur, ChatGPT serves as an incredibly resourceful brainstorming partner. It can help generate and refine business ideas, guiding you through the nuances of market trends and consumer demands. In a world where fresh, innovative ideas are gold, having ChatGPT as a partner in your creative process can put you ahead of the competition. If you are more of a visual content creator, such as a YouTuber or TikToker, ChatGPT can assist in script writing and video ideas, offering that intriguing edge to your content. By understanding your audience's preferences better, you can enhance engagement, which ultimately leads to potentially increased revenue through avenues such as ad revenue and sponsorships. Additionally, designing a chatbot with ChatGPT is another promising avenue. The demand for AI-led customer service is on the rise. As businesses strive to improve customer experience, a well-designed chatbot can support customers efficiently, leading to enhanced service delivery and potentially driving sales. Finally, let's delve into affiliate marketing campaigns. With ChatGPT, crafting persuasive emails becomes a breeze. It can write compelling copy that entices users to click your affiliate links or subscribe to a service. Every click or conversion with your link means more earnings for you. As we've explored today, ChatGPT is much more than a conversation tool. With creativity and the right approach, it can significantly enhance your online money-making ventures. I hope these insights inspire you to leverage ChatGPT and take your productivity to the next level. Thanks for tuning in, and here's to your online success journey in 2025.